Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a Crypto.com account. First, download the Crypto.com app from your App Store. When you open the app for the first time, you will see a welcome screen. Before signing up, tap on the button that says Invited, Add Sign Up Code. A new field will appear. Enter the referral code. This code gives you a sign-up bonus if you complete a few steps after registration. After entering the code, tap Confirm. Now tap on Create New Account. Enter your email address and tap again on Create New Account. You will now be asked to verify your email. Tap on Open Email and choose your email app. Look for an email from Crypto.com. Open it and tap the button that says Create an Account. A new screen will open in the Crypto.com app. Next, enter your mobile number and tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code on the next screen. You'll now be asked to create a passcode for the app. Type a 6-digit code that you'll remember, then confirm it by typing it again. After this, you'll need to verify your identity. Tap Agree and Continue. A pop-up will appear to start the identity verification process. Choose your issuing country. For example, if you are in the Netherlands, select that. Then choose your ID type. You can use a passport, driver's license, or identity card. The app will ask for camera access. Allow it. Take a photo of the front and back of your ID. Then follow the steps to take a selfie. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your documents and selfie are uploaded, the app will begin the verification process. This may take a few minutes. After you're verified, your account is ready. You now have a Crypto.com account. Thank you for watching.